Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grammarly app. We click on settings, this first page of settings here. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Grammarly. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching. Enjoy.